Hey, welcome back to HelloFresh Unsponsored Reviews episode 3. And in today's video, we are going over the Parmesan Crusted chicken. Gonna try this out and give my review on it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, know what time it is. It is time for the review of the chicken Parmesan. And of course the review goes based off of 3 categories. Number 1 is going to be cooking. Number 2 is going to be taste. And number 3 is going to be off of nutrition value. So first of all, going to category 1 with cooking, I must say this was pretty easy to cook. Like on the website it says it's medium, but I'll put this actually as easy. It wasn't a lot really hard to do. As you guys saw, like I just had to cut a tomato, so like that was nothing. And these got bread and put the chicken in the oven and then like the pasta. So overall this was very simple to do. So I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10 on the cooking wise. So now it's my favorite part of the review is I get to try this out. And just in case it does not taste so good, I have ketchup on deck here. So I also got my sparkling water. So let me open this up. And we're gonna go ahead and give this a taste. So hopefully this tastes pretty good. Okay. This tastes pretty good. One thing about me, Olive Garden is like my favorite restaurant, right? So it definitely, it's a good alternative to Olive Garden. I feel like if you want to get something not like, what am I trying to say here? I'm messing up. Anyways, it's good. I like Olive Garden. Okay, I'm not saying Olive Garden tastes better. Obviously, it's Olive Garden, but this tastes really good though. Well. Well, I should get a napkin. I'm a messy eater. I'll give this an 8. I'll give this pretty good. Like I said, it's not up there like Olive Garden up there, but this is still pretty good. So now it is time to get to the depressing part. Like some of the nutrition with HelloFresh, when you look at it, it's just depressing. Okay, it is so depressing because it's so high in calories. So I have my laptop here ready to go, and let's get depressed. So overall calories per one serving is 1,090 calories. That alone, it's not a good look. Fat is 54 grams, which 21 grams is from saturated fat, 99 grams are from carbs, 10 grams of sugar, 5 grams of fiber, 55 grams of protein, 1,080 milligrams of cholesterol, and 920 milligrams of sodium. So, excuse me, sorry, it's the sparkling water. Sparkling water makes me want to burp a lot. So this is not good nutrition-wise. I came to accept the fact that HelloFresh just does not really have any kind of low-calorie meals. It's kind of hard to find them. They don't really have a lot. So this is just high. One thing I will say, especially with the sodium, I feel like at every step in cooking this, it said to add salt. Like every step said add salt. So I can see why it's just kind of high in sodium here. So it's not good at all nutrition wise. I'm at to give this, gosh, 1,090. Like the first two didn't break 1,000. This one's about 1,100 calories. So I'm gonna have to give this a 3. I feel like just because I think I gave the first one with the tacos, I think get that one a 4. So I'm gonna give this one a 3. It's a lot higher in calories. Like I said, the nutrition value is very, very poor. Another high fat meal. So was that 4, 8, 9? So that's 21. So it still passes. You know, like I said, in Texas here, 70 is a pass. 7 out of 10 is what I'm going to give this here. So this gets a 7. It's passable. I feel like this meal, I feel like with HelloFresh, I feel like HelloFresh is for like kind of like a date night, you know, or a date night, or you're not trying to have, like, you're not trying to be like, what's the word I'm trying to say? You're not trying to restrict your calories as much. I say HelloFresh is for that. Like I always say, I don't think HelloFresh is for if you're on a weight loss journey. I don't think so far. My thoughts on this is HelloFresh is just not it. The calories are just way too high per serving for it to be it. I say this, like, for example, like birthday just passed like 2 days ago. Like this would have been a great birthday meal, you know, something that's not really calorie restrictive, has kind of a lot of calories, but you know, it's my birthday, want to celebrate, kind of like a one-time thing. That's what I'm thinking this meal will be. But overall, it gets a 7 out of 10 based off of the cooking, because I'm a beginner cook, so it cooks phenomenally easily for me and then tastes pretty good. So this is part 3 of my HelloFresh unsponsored reviews. So I'm gonna be doing more. Like I said, I have 2 more boxes to go through. And so we're just going to continue this on and just give my overall advice and opinion. Is HelloFresh worth it? Like I said, I just seen so many ads on HelloFresh. So, excuse me. Oh my God. I'm over here trying to talk and have like a more serious moment. I'm just burping on camera. How rude of me. How rude. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, overall, I say HelloFresh so far it's not for the weight loss journey. But I'm going to continue doing this. Even though I'm on a weight loss journey, I'm doing this just because I've been asked a lot about HelloFresh. All right, so this wraps up part 3 in my series of HelloFresh unsponsored reviews. Be on the lookout for part 4 because it's just 1 box done here. I have 2 more over there, so part 4 is coming soon. So thank you so much there and have a good one.